Now I'm going to cut the sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, and now. Fantastic, excellent. Now Xavier and his ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now for my trick, I need a volunteer. Is there any volunteer? Come here. What's your name? Julian. Great, Julian. Come and sit here. There. Now I undo the buttons of the caps. 1 and 2. And finally I said the magic words. Abracadabra, abracadabra. I'm going to pull your shirt right off. Oh no, nothing happens. Repeat.
Abracadabra, we are going to put your shirt right off.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now for my trick, here I have a magic box. But it's not an ordinary box, it's a magic box. Look, it's empty. Look, the cat is not here. Can I have 5 things now?
Yes. My money?
That's it yet. Wow, incredible! And a very clapping for Mari. You see the Marisa and the Mari Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now for my trick, here I have an ordinary envelope, a pretty piece of ribbon, and magic scissors. Next, I cut the ends. 1, 2. This is difficult. Quiet, please. I need to concentrate. Abracadabra, abracadabra. The envelope is cut, but the ribbon is not.